When Yoonji added all the integers from 1 through 9, she mistakenly left out one number. Her incorrect sum turned out to be a perfect square. Which number did she leave out? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, add up all the numbers from 1 through 9. The complete total is 45. If Yoonji leaves out one number x, her sum becomes 45 minus x. Since x is between 1 and 9, the incorrect sum lands somewhere between 36 and 44. Now look for a perfect square between 36 and 44. The squares nearby are 25, 36, and 49. Only 36, which is 6 squared, falls in the range. So 45 minus x equals 36, which means x equals 9. Yoonji left out the number 9. The answer is 9.